Hi students, greetings of the day. So here is an important information from ICAI. If you have any observations in the recent examination, that is in July 2021 examinations, either at CA foundation level or CA inter level or CA final level, you can get them to the notice of ICAI examination department so that they may resolve the issues. So you can send an email to examfeedback@icai.in, or you can write a letter through speed post to the following address that is highlighted here. You can write a letter to this particular address, or otherwise you can send a mail to examfeedback@icai.in, and this should reach ICAI by 5th August 2021. Don't forget, while you are writing a mail or a letter, you should definitely furnish the following details, that is the name of the student, registration number, roll number, email ID and mobile number. You have to furnish all these details and you can send your observations. And it came to our notice that in paper 3 of CA Foundation, that is mathematics, statistics and reasoning, there are some observations. So you can definitely send your observations to ICAI exam department for consideration. Thank you.